In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate PowerPoint presentations with Manus AI in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to enhance your presentation skills, this tool can really transform the way you create slides, saving you time and effort along the way. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to head over to the Manus AI website by visiting manus.em. This is the main hub where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. If you haven't already signed up, it's quite a straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for creating your next presentation masterpiece. With access to the dashboard, the next important step is entering a clear and specific prompt into the provided text box. Now, you might be wondering what exactly to include in this prompt. The key here is detail. The more specific you are about what you want, whether it's the subject, the tone, or any particular points you want the slides to cover, the better the AI can tailor the presentation to your needs. To ensure that the AI correctly identifies your task, be sure to mention the word presentation somewhere in your prompt. This little tip helps the AI focus its efforts on generating slides rather than any other type of document or output. After you've entered your prompt, click on Create Slide to move forward. This is where you get to exercise a bit of personal choice. Manus AI provides you with the option to select a theme that suits the tone and style of your presentation. If you're not sure which theme to choose, you can simply let Manus AI decide for you, making the process even smoother. Once you've settled on a theme, simply hit the button to start the generation process. This is where the AI really goes to work. It will research your topic, gather relevant information, and assemble the slides based on what you've requested. You'll see how it builds the content, ensuring that everything aligns with your original vision. One thing to keep in mind is that this process might take several minutes, especially if your prompt is particularly complex or detailed, so it's a good idea to be patient and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. Once the slides are complete, you're ready to review and perfect your presentation as needed. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to create beautiful PowerPoint presentations using Manus AI. This method not only saves you valuable time, but also allows you to focus on delivering engaging and well-structured slides. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.